Hey guys, what we're going to do now is do your definitions for your Native American worksheet. Make sure you have these done by Friday, and you'll need them also to review for your test next week. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to scroll down on the right side with the different definitions and key terms. And on the left side, I'm going to show you some pictures to try to associate with those words. So copy these down as you go. If it's going too fast for you, you could always pause the video and review back. Or just replay it over to get all the words. So first one that we're going to do is tribe. Tribe is a group made of numerous families, villages, and have a common language or culture. So you can see that in the picture here on the left. Up next is a myth. You can see the picture on the left here. A myth is a story or a legend telling of a history of a group of people and their origins in the world. They could also be folklore, they could be true, they could be magical, mystical stuff. It all matters on who's telling it, really. Next one here is a clan. Clan could be based on animals. It's basically a group of families claiming common ancestors. Some people tie back to animals based on like where they lived, or if one of their ancestors was named after an animal. Up next is lacrosse. You can see here in the picture on the left, lacrosse was a game played by Native Americans, mainly Iroquois. It just consisted of a stick that was bent over, and they used hemp to make the webbing. Much like the one that you see today in college sports, except you could see in the picture we use pads instead, and the ball that they used was more solid, almost like a rock. Up next is a sachem, which is a Native American chief. You can see that in the picture on the left. Next is wampum. Wampum is made of white and dark beads. This was used as money, or it could be used as ornaments. It could be tied on someone's clothing, around wrists, around neck. It could be used in battles, but it was a peace offering in some cases too. Next one is a wigwam. This is the first type of dwelling we're going to look at. It's made of bark, animal hide, and different mats. It was very breathable because they were used mostly in the South to keep heat out. They wanted it to flow through, but obviously it was still watertight. And you can use animal hides, like we said, if you just dried them out and threw them on top and let them flap with the breeze. And last but not least is a longhouse. This is a type of dwelling that was used by Native Americans. You guys remember this from being at MED. You could fit 50 to sometimes 80 people in a longhouse. There were bunk beds, there was cooking areas, there was cleaning areas, and usually women were the ones that were in charge of each longhouse, based on thinking that they were the wisest and possibly the eldest. So you would have a clan mother. All right, if there's any of these that you're missing, or if we went too fast, you can always go back through the video to get the actual definitions. We'll probably be checking them on Friday, and you'll definitely be seeing these for the matching part on your test on next week. Okay, see you later.